Data manipulation with the pandas, data frames, filtering, and merging. Data frames, your data's home base. Pandas data frame, a 2D table-like structure, organizes messy data into a clean, flexible format. Let's import pandas as PD data equal on laptop and tablet. Price is 900, 1,200, and 400. Let's print data. Now we make data frame TF equal PD and a dot data frame. Use data. Now let's print DF. That's data frame using pandas. Filtering. Slice data intelligently using Boolean conditions. Filter products based on price criteria. Products priced under $500. Affordable products equal DF price less than 500. Products priced over $1,000. Premium products equal DF price greater than 1,000. Let's display results. Print affordable products under 500. Print affordable products. Print premium products over $1,000. Print premium products. That's the result of filtering. Affordable products, tablet, price less than 500, and premium product, laptop, price higher than $1,000. Now, merging. Combine datasets like a database join operation. Sales data equal pd pandas dot data frame product phone and tablet. Units sold, let's say 50 and 30. Merged df equal pd pandas dot merge df and sales data on equal product. Let's print merged data frame. We have product phone, its price, and units sold 50. Tablet, price 500, and units sold 30. Why this matters for AI and ML? Cleaner features equal better model accuracy. Efficient filtering equal faster experimentation. Merged datasets equal richer insights. For example, customer behavior plus product details.